Unlock your global earnings today. Discover the ultimate guide to effortlessly create and set up your Payoneer account and start receiving payments from around the world. So hey guys, and welcome in another video where I will show you how you can start creating and setting up a Payoneer account. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and type into payoneer.com. This is the homepage. As you can see, we have here various things like business payments for today's global economy. The Payoneer multi-currency account has everything your business needs to get paid, and grow globally. As we scroll down, we have other information like facts and states here, and also we have other things who are our customers, freelancers here, businesses, marketplace, and we have here it's a word of mouth things. So I will show you how you can get started with Payoneer. So but before we have here freelancers, business, marketplace, and sign in. So what is Payoneer? Payoneer is a financial services company that provides online money transfer and digital payment services. It allows businesses and professionals to send and receive funds globally, making it easier to conduct international transactions. Users can obtain a Payoneer account to manage payments, withdraw funds to their local bank accounts, and access a prepaid MasterCard for online and in-store purchases. It's widely used by freelancers, online sellers, and businesses for cross-border payments. So first of all, we have to click over sign in. Once you do that, you will find this page. But before, if you click over sign in and you will find other page, then you have to click over sign up and you will find this page. Here we have choose the right Payoneer account type for your business needs. Please select the option that describes you the best. For example, I have freelancer or SMB, online seller, affiliate marketer, vacation rental host, individual also. So I will click over individual and you will find this page. Here we have the right account for you is freelancer, agency, or service provider. Here we have getting paid by clients or via marketplaces. You click over registered if you want to get started. So we have you get paid by leading marketplace including Upwork, Fiverr, Getty Images, and more. Then we have get paid by your global clients, withdraw your earnings to your local bank account at low rates. Then we have withdraw funds at ATMs and also pay your suppliers and subcontractors for free. So once you click over registered and you will find this page. Have a pin signing up. Is your business registered with any government, business licensing, or tax authority? So you click over no if you are not, and you click over yes, I own or represent a registered business if you are yes. So you have to link your first name, your last name, your email address, you confirm your email address, and then we have the date of birth. Then you click over next. Once you do that, you will find other page here. We have here please fill in the fields in English characters only. Providing a complete and accurate address speeds up your account approval. So you choose your country. For example, you have Montenegro, Mongolia, and you'll find also other things like United States and United Kingdom. Also we have other things, so choose your country. Then we have your street and number, your number of phone, and here we have you click the send code and enter the verification code. We send to your mobile number and you write your verification code and you click for next. Once you do that, you will find other page. Here we have please fill in the fields in English characters only. You have to write your username here, enter password, re-enter password, security and question, then security answer also. Then we have here insert country of ID, you choose your country, then you have ID type, then you have ID number, and then you click over next. Once you do that, you will find other page which is Payoneer signing up also. Please add a bank account for withdrawals that belongs to your to you or your company. So you write your bank entry, currency, then we have your bank name, account holder name, and account number, SWIFT and BIC. Then you click over here if you are agree to the terms and conditions and privacy cookies policy, and you click over here if you are agree to pricing and fees. Then you click over submit. Once you do that, you will find this page which is congratulations, your Payoneer account application has been submitted successfully and is now being reviewed. Then you will find the home page, as you can see. So once you have signed up for Payoneer, the first step is to verify your account by providing the necessary identification and business information. After verification, link your local bank account. This facilitates easy withdrawals. You can then receive payment from clients or marketplaces by sharing your Payoneer receiving accounts which support multiple currencies. To enhance your experience, consider ordering a Payoneer prepaid MasterCard for convenient access to your funds. Finally, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with features like payment requests and transaction history. So here we have home, withdrawals and transfers. You can see convert currencies, transfer money between your currency balances to make payments in the currency you need. For example, have select balance and from and to. Here we have amount to transfer, amount to receive. To manage currency, you need to be receiving funds to your Payoneer account. Then we have here also account activity. We have transactions, payment requests sent, monthly statement, transaction reports. Then we have bank account. This is my bank account. Then we have business network, companies you work with, business application, and connect apps. So getting started with Payoneer opens up a world of opportunities for seamless global transactions. By following the setup steps and leveraging its features, you can efficiently manage your payments and enhance your business operations. Embrace the flexibility and convenience Payoneer offers and unlock your potential in the global marketplace. So this is how it works with Payoneer. You have just to get started as soon as possible. So your inscription is very easy. I'll show you that. You have just to click over sign in and you choose once you